Hi, my name is Binna O'Brien. I'm based in the Berkshire area. I thought of starting up a recruitment agency some time back, but I wasn't able to do so because of the how much it would have costed me to rent offices, get training, and paperwork in terms of legal terms to start a business myself. So I came across this company online, and after going through a few training sessions and a workshop, I realized that this was a good opportunity for me to start a recruitment agency from home. So at the moment the intention is to work from home, maybe some days during the day and mostly maybe at night, to start up and to get clients and sort of search the net and see where it takes me from there. Today, so I had a one-to-one with Joe. So we went through a lot of things, but the most interesting thing was calling up the clients and then looking for someone to place. So looking for the job itself and the vacancy, and then try to find someone who is suitable for that role, and actually forward the CV to that client to see if they would be able to get the opportunity. So yes, we were able to do that, and it's interesting because I didn't know it, or I never thought it would be that easy. So it wasn't easy, but it was possible. So within the space of 20 minutes. So I guess from what I can see is if you invest time in it, then the possibilities are limitless, really. I think the plan for the business, the future plan for the business is to grow as much as I can. So create a lot revenue here. So maybe even including bringing up family to come and work together, so they can also earn a living out of it, and then maybe from there expand to Southern Africa, Europe. In countries where I've got kind of ties. So from what I can see now, the potential is limitless, and we'll chase the dream and see what will come out of that.